Good Morning America's ex-host TJ Holmes' affair with Amy Robach could negatively impact his custody of his daughter Sabine, 10, in his divorce, a legal expert claimed. Lisa Zeiderman, a New York divorce attorney and partner at Miller Zeiderman, exclusively told the U.S. Sun that alleged affairs can impact a custody case, such as TJ's and Marilee Fiebig's, if a court finds that the person's extramarital relationship impacted their ability to parent. The expert said that one of the questions that might be examined in a custody case such as TJ's, which came with so much press coverage, is examining the impact a high-profile alleged affair could have on a child. This lack of privacy, and the degree to which a parent has contributed to that lack of privacy, I don't think would be helpful in a custody case, Lisa said. Your child is part of a community and you don't want your child to have to deal with those issues when the child goes to school, or is with their friends or any of those kinds of things. I think that judgment is important. I don't think it's the affair per se, but more so that it's whether it affected your child's best interest. The expert expanded on how an affair may impact a child, such as Sabine, who recently celebrated her 10th birthday. Lisa said some of the questions that could come up in court could include, how did that relationship affect their ability to parent? Did they make choices to be with the person they have these extramarital affairs with at times that they could have been with their children? Was there a diminished amount of time that they were spending with their child? In addition to that, the court will also look at the bottom line, if money was spent on an alleged affair that should have been earmarked for one's family. There is also the question of equitable distribution, or what we call a wasteful dissipation of assets. The question becomes, because of your affair, were you wastefully dissipating assets? Were you paying for things, gifts, extravagant luxury things, and that kind of stuff? And does that need to go back into the marital pie? Lisa added. As the U.S. Sun previously exclusively reported, TJ's estranged wife, Marilee, has hired a second powerhouse attorney as she gears up for a fight in New York family court. Ready to fight. Marilee brought on Farah Rodriguez, who recently made partner at her firm Phillips Nizer LLP in Manhattan. The move comes as she faces off against suspended GMA3 host TJ following his reported affair with co-host Amy Robach. Both TJ, 45, and now girlfriend Amy, 49, were taken off the air and sidelined at ABC 2 months ago, as the network investigated the co-host lover's workplace conduct. It was announced on Friday that the coupled-up former co-hosts were officially out at the network. Marilee, who is an attorney herself, brought Farah onto her team late last week, just one day after her attorney Stephanie F. Lehman, who is also a partner at the firm, demanded that TJ file his official divorce complaint. Farah's impressive resume boasts over a decade of experience in handling various intricacies of divorce and family law. Her bio reads, Farah is adept at representing clients during this distressing time in their lives by compassionately and confidently finding solutions to the complex challenges they often face. Marilee speaks out. Marilee's no-nonsense legal team has taken the high-profile case head-on. Earlier this month, her lead attorney Stephanie told the U.S. Sun, during the holiday season and in light of the challenging times, Marilee's sole focus has remained on the overall best interest of her 9-year-old daughter. To that end, TJ's lawyer and I have been working together to move their divorce forward privately, expeditiously, and as amicably as possible. Notwithstanding, we continue to be disappointed by TJ's lack of discretion, respect, and sensitivity toward Marilee and the party's daughter. She concluded, Marilee has been touched by the outpouring of support and looks forward to a new beginning in this new year. Stephanie's biography boasts of her experience in representing high-net-worth individuals in contested and uncontested matrimonial actions and child-related matters. TJ files for divorce. TJ filed for divorce on Wednesday, December 28, in New York, after 12 years of marriage. The ex-GMA host hired attorney Robert H. Moses, who in December 2022 was named NYC's Lawyer of the Year in Best Lawyers, the Family Law Issue 2023. He received 4.8 out of 5 stars on Martindale-Hubbell ratings. He's also been featured on Super Lawyers, an exclusive list of top-rated attorneys, since 2006. TJ and Marilee share one child together, a 9-year-old daughter named Sabine. He also has 2 children, Brianna and Jaden, from his previous marriage. Amy and TJ out at ABC on Friday. A source told the U.S. Sun that Amy and TJ's exit had become official at ABC. after meditation sessions with the network ended and a deal was reached. It's official. Amy and TJ are out at the network. They reached a deal a few minutes ago, the source said. After several productive conversations with Amy Robach and TJ Holmes about different options, we all agreed it's best for everyone that they move on from ABC News. We recognize their talent and commitment over the years and are thankful for their contributions, said an ABC News spokesperson. The popular hosts have been missing from the show since November 2022, when their alleged affair was revealed and the two were placed on a temporary hiatus.